Want to separate the audio from a video in CapCut? Here's a quick way how. First, open CapCut on your PC and click Create Project. Once open, click Import in the Media panel, then select the video you want to use. Once it's imported, drag the video down to the timeline at the bottom. Now, right-click the video clip in the timeline. You will see some options here. On the options available, select Extract Audio. CapCut will create a separate audio track directly underneath the video. So you should see now the video on top and extracted audio below it. If you only need the audio file, click the video track and press delete on your keyboard. At this point, only the extracted audio should remain on the timeline. Finally, click Export in the top right corner. In the export window, disable Export Video and make sure Export Audio is checked. This prevents CapCut from exporting the audio and saves only the audio track. Then, enter a name for your file and then click Export. And that's it. You've extracted the audio from your video and exported it as a separate audio file in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.